Hey, what's up, BitTorrent holders? So today video is going to be very special for BitTorrent because BitTorrent as totally goes down. You can see here my all favorite cryptocurrencies as goes down, and this time so BitTorrent is one of them, and today we talk about this, to why they go down and what we do. The decision is very hard to sell, buy or hold, so the decision is very hard. Please keep watch this video and focus, and I also need your opinion to share it in a comment box. Please, also I need your opinion. Please share it in a comment box. But first of all, just to watch this 2-minute video because this is very important for everyone. Okay, so let's get started. This is first of all I gotta show you the last 24-hour result, and then I'll show you the two more charts, and then we decide to what's going on, what we do. Okay, so first of all, we can see here the changes is a negative minus 15.09%. They goes down, so absolutely very bad result, and I hope they're starting jumping and upcoming days. But what we say this time, the changing is absolutely very bad and also very high change, very high bad change. So if you also just focus on these changes, the changes as well say very important. Remember these changes because this is very important for decision. Okay, guys. So the BitTorrent price, latest price is 0.009796 US dollars. So remember these. This is very important. Okay, and also the changes. This is the last 24-hour result. Let's check out the last 3 days charts. What's going on in the last 3 days charts? This 3 days chart is very important. Please subscribe this channel if you are new on this channel, because this channel provide you a very latest updates of all cryptocurrencies. Please subscribe. I hope you subscribe this channel. Okay, brothers. So if we check the last 3 days result, I can't believe this. They broke my heart because I lost very fast. You can see here minus 30.42%. They go down. What's this, my brothers? Please, what I do in this cricket? So I'm very excited. I'm very this time. If you can see here, my brain stop working to what's going on. This is very bad change. And all cryptocurrencies goes down in this and those days because this is the start of month. The reason is that this is the start of month. Therefore, all cryptocurrencies it goes down. But this is very fastest cryptocurrencies, guys. Everybody know this very fastest cryptocurrencies. So if you can see here the changes in the price, very big change in the price. If you remember the last one day, the last 24-hour change is absolutely very high, very down. Okay, so this time the price is very high. So my brother, if they come down like this, then they broke my heart, and we lost everything. Okay, and this. So my brother, if you check first of all, you see the chart totally goes down. So my 5 cryptocurrencies goes down in this time. Therefore, I'm very excited to see the situation to what's going on. But this time also my expectation is good from that. BitTorrent has gone up. I hope in upcoming days they're going up like a rocket. So this is not a motivational speech. This is very terrible situation. Therefore, I'm very sad in this time. If you can see here the last 1 hour result. This is latest. This is the morning time. So you can see here minus 2.82% they're going down. And last 1 hour, and the price has come down 0.08. Just has come down 0.010 to 0.008. This is 2%. They go. You can see. You remember 2,000. I think US dollar they come down. You can see here 0.002,000 they going down. So what we do, this is very critical situation. What you say to this is bad time, and I hope they can come. Then I hope in upcoming days they're going up like a rocket. This is very fast. I can't believe this when I see the last results of this. Then I am very happy. But today, almost this week and this month, they totally goes down. So very critical situation for all holder of BitTorrent. But I remember BitTorrent holder, or BitTorrent is one of the fastest cryptocurrency, and I hope at the mid of month or at the end of month they give you a good profit. They make you a millionaire. They give you a good result, and I cannot sell it. Okay, this time also I cannot sell it. What you are doing, you doing selling. This is absolutely very big mistake if you sell this time. please hold it if you are a holder, okay? And if you want to buy more, then wait 2 or 3 days and then buy it, okay? This time you can see here the price is come down. If you want this time also, it's good time to you just buy it, okay? So what's your decision? I think they starting dumping, they starting jumping in upcoming days. Please share your opinion in the comment box. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe this channel if you are new. Hope you subscribe this channel. Please like video if you like this video. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.